this is the time we need to discuss more in detail how we can understand and do the proper data uh, analysis. So here you just need to click on the code button, and now we need to understand the complete information about the dataset. So you just need to click here again the df.info, and after that either you can click on the control enter, or you can click here in the play button for executing this command. I am this time just click here while holding my control key and enter, and this will execute the dataset all information. And here I am able to see my expected number of columns, and the system will be presenting like these are the number of columns this data set currently possesses, and how many number of rows we have for this data set. So total number of rows are 891, and there are 15 columns, and this also will be presenting like the data types for each and every individual column: survive,